Today's video is sponsored by Legacy Box. More on them later. This is me 25 years ago. I was 17 years old, acting in my high school plays. I uncovered this footage recently, and watching my younger self in footage I never thought I'd see again has been remarkably cathartic. In some ways, I totally recognize that young girl. That's me, with all the hope and potential of what I've become already stored in me. But with the courage, excitement for life, and joie de vivre that characterized my childhood and young adulthood, there's also so much uncertainty, insecurity, and fear in this young girl, in me. As we enter the season of spring cleaning, I want to look at it from a different angle and a deeper perspective. When most people approach spring cleaning, they physically tackle the home, usually scrub neglected surfaces or declutter. That's all valid and good, but why do we do this? It's for deeper reasons. So while we can spring clean our homes by observing, cleaning, decluttering, we can also contemplate ourselves as people and see what areas in our lives need attention, what needs tending to, what emotions, behaviors, and ways of thinking do we need to discard. I encourage you to do the same thing as you cleanse your own home this spring. This was an award-winning short film I starred in when I was in college. I played a young girl with a strict upbringing who seeks to find herself. I've been playing with that theme my entire life, as I wrote a poem recently called The Seeker. One of my favorite lines from The Seeker: "There were her hopes and there her dreams, robed in cobwebs and bright sunbeams. Retrieving them, she swam back home, floating on her memory's streams." Looking at footage of me as a young actress has made me reassess my life. What am I happy with? What am I proud of? Where can I improve? Where do I see myself going from here? When we are children, we hold the potential, of course, to become all the things we become as adults. Think of the caterpillar, this crawling creature. It possesses all the inner wisdom, knowledge, and ability to become a butterfly. Isn't that incredible? They don't know it, but all caterpillars contain magnificent potential for transformation within them. For when they create their cocoon, they create the room that they will need for when they become a butterfly. I am no longer an actress. I grew into a different type of butterfly. How did I become this woman? And what woman do I want to become in the future? We are ever-evolving beings. We are not static and stuck in one body, position, mindset forever. I am ever-changing, ever-curious, ever seeking beauty and joy and meaning in life's eccentric moments. So as I scrub surfaces that have been neglected, I'm also looking at what I would shed from the past in order to move forward with a clean slate. Before we get any deeper in the video, I want to share Legacy Box with you because they're the reason why I'm able to even find this old footage of myself. Legacy Box is the easiest and safest way to preserve your family's memories. Trusted by over 1 million families, Legacy Box digitize your old media footage like VHS tape, film, etc. If you have it, they can digitize it. Memories that you never thought you would see again. So most people have a box or a whole cupboard full of old media, and you can just send it to Legacy Box and they will put it on digital files for you to keep forever. It is amazing. This is an incredible way to preserve your family's memories. So I had all these old VHS tapes from my acting days, from high school plays, from college, even an old film that my sister did that I starred in when I was 15, I think. And I sent these VHS tapes to Legacy Box. You just put them in the kit that they send you. Everything's really easy to understand. You place a sticker on each one, you send it off to them. So they put it on a Google Drive file for you to look at, and then you also get the CDs and the thumb drive. It is so incredible. I never thought I would see this footage again. So click my link below to get 55% off your Legacy Box when you enter my code Jennifer Scott at checkout. I hope that you will try them. You will not be disappointed. Okay, let's get back to the deep stuff. Let's talk about the uncertainty. Most young people are uncertain. It's a totally natural thing to be. We have no certainty about our future and what we will become. As I'm filming this, I'm currently 42 years old. And yes, I'm scrubbing surfaces. A humbling thing to do as I contemplate uncertainty. But confident in knowing, as I clear these surfaces and spring clean my home, I can also mentally reawaken and uncover layers that I can release and set free. I mentioned my age, 42. When reading Lewis Carroll's biography recently, I found out that Lewis Carroll was obsessed with the number 42. He incorporated the number into Alice in Wonderland in many clever and hidden ways. Of course, this piqued my interest as I am currently 42 years old. Is this some magical age? You'll also recall that the secret to the universe, according to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, is 42. Other artists over the years have expressed their love of this rather mysterious number as well. 42 has been somewhat of an awakening year for me, which is why it's been so cathartic for me to see my younger self. Some people ask me what I would tell my younger self if I could give myself advice. I would say not to fear judgment or what others would think of me. To drop the imposter syndrome I've struggled with a lot in my adulthood in thinking that I am less than or not capable. And to rid myself of limitations, because I've learned that if one person realizes a dream, I can too. Regarding the insecurity and fear I often felt as a young person, I would have read myself my favorite quote by Andy Warhol. Don't think about making art, just get it done. Let everyone else decide if it's good or bad, whether they love it or hate it. While they are deciding, make even more art. I love Warhol's perspective. He acknowledges the importance of art, and at the same time doesn't diminish the importance of the audience and the critics and the fans, But while recognizing their importance, he honors the artist and encourages them to keep going and not let the commentary from the onlookers hinder or redirect their dreams. It's powerful. You might be listening to this and thinking, Jennifer, I'm not an artist. Oh, but you are. You might not be a painter or a musician, but you are an artist in everything you do in your life. I got a lot of spring cleaning done while I was talking to you. Before we go, I want to share a few more powerful things that I would tell my younger self to close out this spring cleaning cleanse. Number 1, you are enough. Number 2, you are beautiful. Number 3, you are different, and that's okay. Number 4, don't ignore your intuition. Number 5, stay curious. Number 6, never stop learning. Number 7, don't allow the opinion of others to dictate your self-worth. Number 8, never apologize for wanting beautiful experiences. Number 9, you are always making art. And number 10, love everyone. Oh, and number 11, a bonus tip, rest a bit more. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some spring cleaning done alongside me. Thank you to Legacy Box for sponsoring. Click my link below to get 55% off your Legacy Box when you enter my code Jennifer Scott at checkout. Thank you for joining me today, friends. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.